guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish, your guide to all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before I begin today's episode, let me remind you guys about the Zoom Facebook page, which has all the news about your favorite B-Town celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Varun Dhawan's wife is trolled for her wedding jewelry. Kangana attacks Diljit and Priyanka over growing farmers' protests. Siddharth throws Shehnaz in a pool during a midnight birthday party. Did Varun Dhawan hint at Shraddha Kapoor getting married soon? Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal have been married for less than a week, but the new Mrs. Dhawan is already under scrutiny for her choice of jewelry for her wedding. कुछ नेटिजन्स ने ये ऑब्जर्व किया है कि नताशा ने अपनी शादी में जो डायमंड नेकलेस पहनी थी, वो उसे पहले भी पहन चुकी है. Varun and Natasha married in an unusually simple ceremony for Bollywood standards with just 50 people attending the wedding. The couple, who was planning a lavish destination wedding last year, had to opt for a more intimate ceremony this year, keeping the pandemic-related restrictions in mind. But now it seems like the wedding was unusual for more than just one reason. While most brides shop for new bridal jewelry and build a designer wedding trousseau, Natasha wore a stunning but understated lehenga from her own label and actually repeated her jewelry from an earlier occasion. Take a look. Natasha has always kept a low profile, staying away from too much media attention and keeping her social media pages private as well. She has never given interviews or tried to enjoy the limelight of being the girlfriend of a movie star, building her own fashion label instead. नताशा औरों से कितनी अलग है, इसका एक बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल हमें उन्हें दुल्हन बनते हुए देखकर मिला. The bride made sure to stay respectful of the current times, जहां लोग कई मुश्किलों से गुजर रहे हैं, and many are advocating simplicity and sustainable practices to avoid unnecessary expenditure. Natasha not just wore a stunning but understated lehenga from her own collection, she also repeated the diamond necklace she had worn to the Akash and Shloka Ambani wedding. Yes, you heard that right. This modern and socially conscious young bride didn't indulge in any unnecessary expenditure, choosing to wear the same necklace and earrings again, with her shimmering lehenga adding a mang tikka, a white chuda, and unusual silver kalire that complemented the silver embroidery on her clothes. Her Dulhe Raja also matched her elegant simplicity with a bespoke white sherwani जिसपे gold और silver zardozi की hand embroidery थी. This outfit with its custom designer shoes was designed for Varun by celebrity designer Manish Malhotra, who was also one of the select few guests at the wedding. Manish has shared a new video on his social media page जहां वो वरुण को अपने हाथों से दूल्हा बना रहे हैं, making sure that the delighted groom's sherwani is perfectly fitted. Manish also shared another video montage from the various functions of the wedding, and it looks like the small groups of close friends and family had a really fun time over the 3 days of wedding celebrations in Alibag. Manish captioned his video montage, "Now that's what I call an absolute fun wedding. #family time, #fun times." We love that the couple got married in their own unique style, and we wish them all the very best for a happy married life.
उन सबको जेल में डालो जो इस किसान आंदोलन को, सो कॉल किसान आंदोलन को सपोर्ट करो, उन सबको जेल में डालो और उन सबको जो है वो किसी ना किसी तरीके से उनके सारे संसाधन छीने जाएं संपत्ति के, कुछ ना कुछ तो इसके repercussions होने चाहिए.
Kangana Ranaut has posted a strongly worded video on her social media page lashing out against protesting farmers in New Delhi who were part of several violent clashes with the police. Kangana also attacked Diljit Dosanjh and Priyanka Chopra Jonas again, questioning their decision to show support to the farmers' protest and accused them of bringing shame to the country on Republic Day. The ongoing protest by farmers took an ugly and violent turn when a tractor protest march organized by the farmers led to barricades being broken in New Delhi, and visuals of the police doing a lathi charge on the mob has been flooding social media. Unfortunately, this happened on India's Republic Day, causing major embarrassment to the government. Kangana Ranaut has been opposing the protests from day one and even indulged in a verbal war with Diljit Dosanjh on social media over their opposing views. It looks like, with the protests turning violent now, a new exchange of angry words is just around the corner. India's 72nd Republic Day ended on an angry, violent note. The farmers who have been protesting on the way to Delhi had planned a tractor protest march driving into New Delhi to oppose the government's farm bills. Thousands of farmers approached the Red Fort and broke barricades, leading to scenes of widespread violence. While Bollywood celebrities have largely avoided taking sides on the issue, Kangana has been vocal about her disapproval of the farmers protesting in this manner. After violent visuals emerged from outside the Red Fort, Kangana took to social media to share an angry video जहां उन्होंने कहा कि लाल किले के पास जो हुआ उसकी वजह से पूरे देश में शॉक और नेगेटिविटी का माहौल बन गया है।
हमारे देश ने जो जिस तरह से अभी उभरा है, किस बहादुरी से हम उन कुछ एक देशों में से हैं जिन्होंने ना सिर्फ लड़ाई में हम जीत रहे हैं, जबकि हम पूरे विश्व का प्रतिनिधित्व कर रहे हैं, ना कि हमारी जो वैक्सीन ड्राइव है हम लोग खुद ही नहीं बाकी देशों का भी प्रतिनिधित्व करें। ये वक्त था कि हम इस चीज़ को मना सकते थे। इन लोगों को जो प्रोत्साहन दे रहे हैं और देते आए हैं और अभी भी दे रहे हैं, ये सारे आम हो रहा है, ये सबके आम इनको प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है सबके सामने, और सबके सामने ये तमाशा हो रहा है। आज दुनिया में हम मजाक बन के रह गए हैं।
कंगना also added कि जिन लोगों ने इस प्रोटेस्ट को पब्लिकली सपोर्ट किया है उन्हें जेल में डाल देना चाहिए या फिर उनके खिलाफ लीगल एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए।
उन सबको जेल में डालो जो इस किसान आंदोलन को, सो कॉल किसान आंदोलन को सपोर्ट करो, उन सबको जेल में डालो और उन सबको जो है वो किसी ना किसी तरीके से उनके सारे संसाधन छीने जाएं संपत्ति के, कुछ ना कुछ तो इसके repercussions होने चाहिए।
The actor also attacked Diljit Dosanjh and Priyanka Chopra Jonas again, questioning their decision to support the farmers' protests. Lashing out against her colleagues, Kangana ने एक सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में लिखा, "You need to explain this, Diljit Dosanjh, Priyanka Chopra. Whole world is laughing at us today. यही चाहिए था ना तुम लोगों को. Congratulations." It's deeply unfortunate to see that a protest that was peaceful and open to dialogue turned violent in just a day, causing widespread damage and destruction. While Kangana will keep sparring with her colleagues on social media, an urgent solution is needed to this deepening crisis. For a very long time, there were clear rules demarcating men's and women's fashion and the colors each gender could wear. But that's not the case anymore, with many men sporting pink, pastels and floral prints in style, while female actors wear blazers and suits as they conquer the film industry. Here are 5 B-Town men who looked really cool wearing colorful pools. Take a look. वैसे तो फूलों और कलियों का एसोसिएशन हमेशा से वुमेन्स ब्यूटी और फैशन से रहा है, बट बॉलीवुड्स men have also shown us of late कि men can pull off floral print in style too. As the ladies would agree, there is nothing hotter than a rugged male star in the right floral print shirt. Kartik Aaryan. Kartik has carved a niche for himself with his quirky sense of humor, over-the-top hair and bindas attitude. Millennial heartthrob is hatke when it comes to his fashion sense as well. He looked ready for a casual night out in a dual-toned floral shirt, which he left unbuttoned for that Bollywood hero vibe. Karthik wore this floral number with black jeans, black shoes, and kept his voluminous hair spiked with hell. Well, Karthik, we love this look for Aaj or Kal. Ranveer Singh. Ranveer's choice of bright pants and over-the-top looks are famous, and it was no surprise then to see him in a floral printed tuxedo that he wore with a basic crisp white shirt to an event. The three-piece suit had bright pink flowers or a dark blue background, which Ranveer complemented with pink-tinted sunglasses, making it quite a dazzling red carpet look. Varun Dhawan. You can totally be floral and fuss-free. Choose a basic floral print shirt like Varun Dhawan for a trip to the beach or a casual evening out. Wear it with shorts or jeans and sneakers and keep things comfortable. This look can even be an option for a beach dinner or just a long drive with friends. Vicky Kaushal. If you want to channel the flower power but you don't know where to begin, take notes from Vicky Kaushal, who wore a floral bomber jacket over a basic t-shirt and jeans to add just the pop of something new and bold over a staple men's outfit. Karan Johar. Karan Johar is known for his love of expensive clothing and is often spotted wearing outfits from the latest collection of European designers. At an awards show, the stylish head honcho of Dharma Productions was spotted wearing a floral printed Dolce & Gabbana suit that had a tie-up at the waist to make it look like a suit crossed with a robe. Kejo wore the suit with oversized sunnies and embroidered formal shoes to complete the entire look.
दादा आगे आ जाओ भाई। बीड़ी
मास्क
बीड़ी थोड़ा मास्क
थोड़ा
भाभी का भी
हो गई हल्दी, मेहंदी, शादी और अब विदाई भी। अलीबाग के मैंशन रिजॉर्ट से निकल के नताशा दलाल अपने हस्बैंड वरुण धवन के साथ आ पहुंची है पहली बार अपने ससुराल, जहां न्यूली वेड्स के वेलकम के लिए डेविड धवन और उनकी पूरी फैमिली वेट कर रही थी।
वरुण वीडे
Varun Dhawan was spotted lovingly holding his wife's hand and helping her aboard the boat that took them back to Mumbai to begin their married life. वरुण धवन और नताशा दलाल की लव स्टोरी किसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म से कम इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है। दोनों बचपन में मिले, दोस्त बने, फिर दोस्ती प्यार में बदल गई और कई सालों के साथ के बाद आज फाइनली द कपल इज हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ। After they couldn't have their dream destination wedding last year, the couple opted for a really small and intimate gathering in Alibag and got married with just 50 of their closest friends and family members. While they have been together for over a decade now, it's finally time to begin a new chapter in their lives. Take a look. Dressed in an elegant red kurta pajama set, doting husband Varun Dhawan was spotted carefully holding his wife's hand as the two walked down the steps of the jetty in Alibag and stepped into a boat that took them back to Mumbai. January 24 को अपनी शादी के बाद वरुण और नताशा उसी रिजॉर्ट में रुक गए थे अपने कुछ करीबी दोस्तों के साथ, and the newlywed couple was spotted taking a golf cart to the jetty with their friends who also left Alibag with them. Natasha looked stunning in her Nai Naveli Dulhan avatar and chose a pastel green salwar kameez to wear for her Grah Pravesh in Mumbai.
वरुण वीडे
अलीबाग से निकलते वक्त नताशा और वरुण ने एक दूसरे का हाथ एक पल के लिए भी नहीं छोड़ा। The much in love couple carefully walked hand in hand down the steep jetty staircase that climbed into their private speedboat. बोट में चढ़ने के बाद वरुण और नताशा ने अपने मास्क उतार के प्रेस फोटोग्राफर्स के लिए एक साथ पोज किया, with Natasha looking every bit the blushing new bride.
भाभी भाभी
Thank you.
Varun's parents, brother and sister-in-law had already left Alibag a day after the wedding and were back home to welcome their choti bahu in grand style. Though they had left with their close friends, Varun and Natasha were spotted reaching Varun's parents' home in a separate car, jahan the newest Mr. and Mrs. Dhawan ka bade pyar se swagat hua. Varun Dhawan and Natasha Dalal kept their relationship away from the media scanner for quite some time, and it is only in the past 2 years that Varun has spoken about their relationship and the fact that they wanted to get married. However, contrary to earlier rumors, Varun Dhawan's uncle, Anil Dhawan, has shared with a media portal that there is no wedding reception being planned. Reports had earlier said that the family was organizing a reception on the 2nd of February. लेकिन अनिल जी ने बताया ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, होगा तो उसका डेट देखेंगे. Well, we hope that the couple stays happy and content together because they have truly waited very long for this moment in their lives.
भाभी भाभी
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Shehnaz Gill kick-started her birthday in grand style by cutting a cake and celebrating with rumored boyfriend Siddharth Shukla and their families.
May good times go with you. Happiness
The actor and reality star then took a special dubki to celebrate the beginning of a brand new year in her life. Shehnaz Gill or Siddharth Shukla or Sid Naz as they are called by their fans first met on the sets of a reality show hosted by Salman Khan, और बहुत जल्द the two became inseparable. Though the two have never admitted to their relationship, their social media pages and the fact that they are working together so often seems to tell us that Sid Naz ki love story is no longer just a raz. Take a look.
Happy long life to you.
Shehnaz Gill is 28 and to bring in her happy birthday, Shehnaz ने काटा केक और लगाई स्विमिंग पूल में डुबकी. The actor and reality show star had shared her excitement about turning 28 in an interactive session with fans earlier, and it seems like she will be celebrating the day with her and rumored boyfriend Siddharth's families. In fact, it looks like celebrations started at midnight with both families joining in to cut a cake.
Happy long life to you. May God bless.
शहनाज ने सोशल मीडिया पे एक वीडियो शेयर किया जहां सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और उनके परिवार वाले पूरे जोश में शहनाज के लिए हैप्पी बर्थडे का गाना गा रहे हैं, as she looks absolutely thrilled to be pampered on her birthday.
Happy long life to you.
The birthday girl cut her cake and then offered the first bite quite naturally to her special someone Siddharth, who quickly told her to first feed her mom and sister, being quite the sanskari young man.
अरे पहले उसको खिला, उसका बर्थडे है.
But while the cake cutting was fun-filled and cute, what followed was quite adventurous. Shehnaz, who looked adorable in white pajamas, was then given a warning by Siddharth about the next surprise by the pool.
अभी देख.
handsome actor and his brother-in-law then held Shehnaz by her hands and legs और फिर शुरू हुआ countdown to Shehnaz's birthday. 27 तक काउंट करने के बाद the young star was thrown in the pool, leaving her soaking wet. The family members also seem to be having fun seeing Shehnaz getting teased on her birthday. लेकिन सबसे खुश सिडनाज के फैंस हैं जो अपने फेवरेट कपल को उनके फैमिलीज के साथ देखकर बहुत खुश हुए हैं. जिस तरह सिद्धार्थ के जन्मदिन पे शहनाज उनके साथ थी, उसी तरह अपनी सपोज्ड लव लेडी के बर्थडे पे सिद्धार्थ मेड श्योर टू मेक हर स्पेशल डे एक्स्ट्रा फन. Here's wishing Shehnaz a very happy birthday, and we hope that maybe this year the couple finally make their relationship official as a gift to their fans. चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side.
भाभी भाभी
शादी मुबारक हो. वीडे वीडे नताशा 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 नताशा.
Varun Dhawan ने तो शादी कर ली, but now it looks like he is ready to see his friends settle down too. While responding to wishes from people on social media, Varun thanked celebrity photographer Rohan Shrestha, who is rumored to be dating Varun's childhood friend Shraddha Kapoor. लेकिन मजे की बात ये है कि Varun added a comment hoping that Rohan was ready for marriage too. Well, is another celebrity wedding around the corner? Varun and Shraddha have known each other since they were young kids, and the two used to meet on film sets when Shraddha's father, Shakti Kapoor, worked in Varun Dhawan's father, David Dhawan's films. In fact, the two have confessed to being very fond of each other as children and remained good friends over the years, even after Varun and Natasha fell in love and started dating. Now that her friend is married, is Shraddha also going to be inspired to do the same? Well, take a look. Varun and Natasha are being showered with love from friends and fans on social media. The actor who shared first images of himself and Natasha as man and wife was congratulated by celebrity photographer Rohan Shrestha, who shared a screenshot of Varun's photo and wrote, "Congratulations VD and Nats. When you know, you know. VD, you're a lucky guy." Varun, who has responded personally to all the congratulatory posts, made sure to respond to Rohan's as well. लेकिन उनके रिप्लाई ने हमें क्यूरियस कर दिया है. Rohan is rumored to be dating Varun's childhood friend, actor Shraddha Kapoor. There have been rumors doing the rounds that Shraddha and Rohan are in a serious relationship and may even have gotten engaged. But Shraddha had denied reports of her marriage plans, saying कि वो इस वक्त सिर्फ अपने करियर पे फोकस कर रही है. लेकिन लगता है Varun has spilled the beans about Shraddha and Rohan's marriage plans when he responded to Rohan's post and wrote, "I truly am. Hope you're ready." This mysterious message has everyone wondering if there is soon going to be another Bollywood wedding. Though Shraddha and her dad have denied that she has any plans of getting married, we can't help but be excited at the thought of another Bollywood wedding very soon. Well, that's all from me today, guys. Please stay home, stay safe, and make sure to wear a mask whenever you step out. I'll be back again soon. Till then, check out the Zoom Facebook page where you can stay in touch with your favorite B-Town celebrities. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.